Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Tyquee's Beauty Tutorial with a hair tutorial video, girl. I'm going to be doing my hair using my favorite products, guys. Some of these products I've been had, well, not some of them, pretty much just the Kara's Daughter hair milk. I've been using this hairstyling product for a long time. It's really old and I need to get rid of it. It smells weird, but however, I still like this product because it moisturizes the hair, and I like to style with this product, especially like if I'm doing like styles to last me for a long period of time. I really like the Camilla, not the Camilla Rose, but the Kara's Daughter hair milk. The styling milk is really the styling butter, okay? But it's a hair milk and I love it. So as you guys see, I'm hydrating my scalp with my grease, my Camilla Rose grease. Um, and I'm also going to twist my hair up, okay? I need to do me a style that's going to last like at least a week. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair after I take this down. And then I'm going to probably flat iron my hair again and do the same thing like I did before because I like stretching my hair for a long period of time. I like that. So let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see me do that video. So as you guys see, I'm twisting my hair up. Now I was deciding to do small twists all over, but guys, I can't really see that well, and I don't have really good mirrors that I can get like the best, kind of see the best like behind my head. So I decided to, take it like do the small ones starting off and then they kind of get larger or whatnot just to make the process go a little longer. And as you guys see, I'm just taking that hair milk and I'm just putting it on my strands. And it really makes my hair, gives my hair a really nice shine. And I really like the control that I have with my hair. I like the control that the product gives me. And the product really helps well with flyaways when you're doing styles like this. So I'm just going in, section, making sure I'm hydrated. I use the hair milk in every section. And then I begin brushing the product in because that's what you're supposed to do anyway. But I can't really see behind my head to make sure that the lines are really straight. Girl, I had to get off camera and go to the bathroom and kind of look at my mirrors that way. That helps, Next time, I'm going to do the twist a little bit smaller, like on the sides, and then the back will be more large, bulging maybe. I'm going to bring more hair videos to you guys because I know that you guys enjoy watching this. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for the new subscribers, my new friends that have subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. That lets me know that you guys liking these videos, not know that you love these hair videos. So yeah, if you're looking for a styling butter, I think this will be a great product for you. That the Kara's Daughter hair milk is really nice. It hydrates the hair. It's like oils, it's water. It's a water-based product, but your hair do not shrink up immediately. You just go ahead and do the style that you want to do, especially styles like this. Now, you see how I was grabbing hair that didn't need to go in that section? I end up cutting the camera and going into the restroom and actually fixing it because I try my best to be a neat freak, okay? I try my best. I like for my hair to look like I just walked out the salon, okay? And yeah, when I'm doing it like this and I can't see, I don't really get the looks that I want. So I just have to cut the camera and go and finish up like in the restroom so I can kind of get like that double take in the mirror. And I mean, if you guys just look how smooth my hair is, like I actually had to take the other side down and redo it because of the simple fact I couldn't see. And I was so irritated because I wanted to do the full thing. I wanted to twist all the hair on camera, but I couldn't do that because my hair wasn't properly twist right. It really messed it. It really screwed it up. So, however, the style really turned out to be nice and it's really, really quick. Ooh, woo. I love that look, girl. It's really, really quick. So what I decided to do is work with this front now. I'm just gonna twist this front up in sections. I'm just gonna twist it up, give it a little twist, and I'm gonna begin to pin it up. The next style that I do is gonna be a little bit different, but it's gonna be somewhat like this because I love for my hair to be up. I like the look. It's like I got the face for updo styles. You know, I just like that look or whatnot. And it makes it easier. You know, these are the styles that you can just get up and walk out the door. And as you guys see, I'm feeding the twist that I've previous twist already into the twist that I'm doing now. However, it doesn't have to be perfect at the top because you do kind of want it to be a little bit kind of, a little bit messy, not too messy because I want like a messy twist. But I cut my hair like a whole lot. And as you guys see, my edges are really coming back with vengeance. Thank God for that. I got a new hair vitamin that I will be sharing with you guys soon that I just got. And I like them. They taste real good. Infused with biotin and keratin. Really nice vitamin. I think it has vitamin B, vitamin C. And you guys, you need that these days. You need to make sure you get all the vitamin D, C, E, everything. Everything you can get, girl. So I'm just taking the pins in and I'm just pinning my hair back in the spot. Just making sure everything looks, good. Looks smooth. Yeah. So now I'm diving into my edge control, which I love edge control, but the edge control sometimes don't love me because it turned white. And I don't like it when my edges turn white. I hate that. I really hate that. But I gotta try not to use much of it so that I can really get the desires that I want, and I won't have to take the twist down and like brush it back up. So I'm using the Paul Mitchell hair hold spray, natural hold. And I will put these products that I actually use in this video. I will put in the description. So if you thinking about going to get it, you can go get it. You can go pick these products up from where could you go? Target, okay. Paul Mitchell, you'll probably have to go to Sally's or Ulta. Yeah, so I like to wrap it up, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished look because I gotta make sure everything is sleek. Okay, you gotta make sure everything is sleek down. Okay, so now let's see what it looks like on there. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, let's see how good I did. Due to the fact that I ain't got the right mirrors or nothing to kind of look at everything, but I believe this with you. I know I did a good job, but because I gotta wear it, So woo. I like it. I like it. Oh, I like it. I like it. Girl, let me tell you, I went to the store and everybody would ask me, "Ooh, who did your hair? Who did your hair? Your hair's so pretty." I had a few women ask me, I had to run to the Walmart to pick up some, girly things, But I had women asking, at least 6 ask me, who did your hair, okay? Because I've been trying to get my hair like this and, I can't find nobody to do it. And I was like, girl, look, listen, I do it. Get here my cord is. I put some twists in your head. But yours gonna look better than mine because, I can see yours. But, anyway. Yeah, I had quite a bit of compliments on my hair. I always have compliments on my hair. That's why certain styles like I try. That's why I like covering my head. I like to cover my head a lot because people always ask me about my hair. I don't mind it. But sometimes it can become a lot. Like, how you get your hair like that? Is that your hair? But I cut a lot of hair off, like because I really want healthy hair. I like for my hair to be healthy more than anything. So you guys see, I'm just making sure those pins are in right and tapered in right. Try to hide it to the best of my ability. So I'm gonna give you guys a little round thing, a little round thing. Yeah, not so bad, not so bad. Really like this. I need to find my peanuts so I can give myself a lineup. Cause, yeah, I do not like all this hair all around my. I don't like that. It's like it takes away from the hair. You know, it takes away from the hairstyle. You know, you can be looking in the front, be like, woo. When you look at the back, you like, God damn. But yeah, but anyway, yeah. No. It really looks nice. I look very, very elegant. You know, I like those elegant looks, you know. I like those elegant looks, you know. Girl with the hair under control, meaning you got a good spirit, you know, everything is together, you know, you're easy going, you like to make sure everything in place. But anyway, I don't always manage to get my hair in place the way I like. But hey, today I did it because I took out time and I was really frustrated. I don't, you know, because I have a lot of hair on my head and I get really, really irritated with it sometimes. You know, but I don't want to cut my hair off. You know, but I have to cut off what need to be cut off. But yeah, you know, this is my plant. You know, this is my tree. You know, as you feed it, if you eat the right things and you take the right things, you know, you can continue to flourish, you know, with your hair. My husband think that I should cut my hair off, but I don't want to do that anymore because I don't really like the look, you know, for me, because I do like doing my hair from time to time. So I'm taking that Paul Mitchell hold spray and just spraying again just to make sure I get some extra hold. And I'm just gonna wrap it up again, you know, because I like to make sure everything is, you know, in place. I don't like a lot of flyaways. When my hair is really straight, I can't stop the flyaways, but yeah. If you guys like videos like this, give me a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to the channel because you like videos like this and that lets me know what you guys like and I will continue to bring them to you. I will bring more videos like this to you. And you guys give me some ideas. Well, I will be finding ideas. I'm going to be looking up more hairstyles so I can, you know, bring back to you guys and share with you guys. Perhaps you can do it yourself or go to your stylist and let them do it, you know. And girl, if you can't do your hair, ain't nothing wrong with being natural and going to the salon. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Some salons wouldn't mind you coming in trying to get your hair done, okay? See y'all in my next video. Bye. Be blessed, guys.